Matagal na niyang gusto. At ngayon, nakuha na rin ni Maverick Nisi ang trade na gusto niya. Bonus pa, makakasama niya ngayon ang kapatid niyang si Jerick sa Terra Firma Jeep. Yes, magkakampi na ang Nisi brothers sa wakas. Dagdag firepower para sa Terra Firma. Late Tuesday night daw na i-finalize ang trade. Barangay Ginebra sends Maverick to Terra Firma kapalit ng future draft picks. Ang papers nasa PBA office na for approval. Tingnan natin kung ito ma-approve nga. Di tulad nung trade ng Converge at Titan involving Dave Ildefonso na tinanggihan ng PBA. Pero malinaw din ang usapan. Sabi ni Coach Tim Cone, ayaw daw nila ng parang hostage. Dapat daw volunteers. In short, kung ayaw mong manitili, hindi ka pipilitin. Ayon pa kay Cone, Mav is a veteran in his prime and he wasn't satisfied playing back up to Scotty and RJ. And they respected that. He wanted a bigger role and he'll get that with Terra Firma.
I did actually request for a trade for the first time. I don't know how people are gonna take it, man, but to be honest, I like my teammates. I'm cool with everybody on that team. I appreciate the fans. I even appreciate the motherfuckers that don't fuck with me. That's just the honest truth. But as a player, you want the opportunity to play and showcase your talent. So it's kind of a fine line between like being patient and waiting your turn. But I just turned 34 last month. I am now on like the back half of my career. There's not much time to waste for me.
Props din kay Mav kasi sabi ni Coach Tim, professional daw siya sa buong proseso. At happy rin daw si Mav na makakasama na niya ang kapatid niya sa Jeep. Kung tutuusin, sanay na rin si Mav sa palipat-lipat. Since 2015, naging journeyman na siya sa PBA. Rain or Shine, Alaska, Converge, Ginebra, at ngayon, Terra Firma. Ibang klase itong biyahe ng career ni Maverick. At kung dati ang tanong, saan kaya siya mas bagay? Ngayon, tingnan natin, nasa team na siya kung saan may kapatid, may tiwala, at may chance ulit na magpakitang gilas. Pero ito ang totoong tanong, tatagal kaya ang Nisi brothers sa Terra Firma? O stopover din lang to bago mapunta sa ibang team? Ano sa tingin nyo? Comment nyo lang at don't forget to like, subscribe para laging updated dito lang sa The Pinoy Step.
Nisi, covered by Pogoy.
They only have a few seconds.
3 to work with. This will have to be it. Nisi, the fall away jumper. Wow.